Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a full Windows 11 backup before any update. So let's get started. First, press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. Click Backup and Restore Windows 7. On the left side, click Create a System Image. Choose where you want to save the backup. You can use an external hard drive, another internal drive, or a network location. An external drive is the best option. Click Next. Then click Start Backup. Wait for the backup process to finish. The time depends on how much data is on your computer. When the backup is complete, Windows may ask if you want to create a system repair disk. You can skip this if your PC doesn't have a DVD drive. Instead, keep a Windows 11 USB installation drive ready for recovery if needed. That's it. You have successfully created a full Windows 11 backup before any update.